Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this air vent from a Peugeot 307. So first of all, I took the one from the left side. So what you can see, it's the air vent is held down by those pins. So you can see it here and here. So all we have to do is put a screwdriver here. So we're going to use a flat screwdriver. You can see it. Put it here. You go. Here are the clicks that I wanted to hear, and that's it. This is how we removed the air vent. You can see it's still operate great, and this is it. This is how you disassemble the air vent. If you need more parts for your Peugeot 307, please contact us in the email below. We ship worldwide. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble parts from a Peugeot 307 or 207, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.